Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumintech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is logical operators in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python logical operators. So the logical operators are used to combine the two statements. So now the logical operators are and, or, and not. So these are the three logical operators used in Python. So the meanings are: in AND operator, both the statements should be true. That is, both statements should be true. As the OR one, only the single statement should be true. That is, one of the statement is true. So in the NOT case, both of the statements will be true and the answer will be false. So that is statement both true and result is that is false. So in this type there are the results, that is AND, OR and NOT operator. These are the meanings. Now we'll discuss about the examples of these three. So first of all we are discussing the example of AND operator, that is both the statements should be true. So first of all we'll take a value over here. Suppose I am taking the value that is 5. So now I'll give this a variable name. Suppose my variable name is x. After that I'll use a print function in which I am asking the AND operator. So I'll write AND between this. So my value is x. So I'm asking that if my x's value is greater than 3, and the second one is if my x's value is less than 2, then print the answer, that is. So we will check the statement. In AND statement, both the statement must be true. So this is true as the x's value is 5. So the 5 is greater than 3. This is true. Second one is x's value is less than the value, that is 2. Suppose this is the answer. So this is not true. So the answer will be false because the both should be true. So as I am taking here 12, so the 5 is less than 12, so the answer will be true as both the statements are true. So hence this is used as in this format. So the next example is OR. So we'll write here that is OR. So in the OR statements, if the first statement is correct or the second statement should be correct. So in this, as first is the x's value is 5. So the first statement is 5 is greater than 3. So this is true. So now we are taking here the value is that is 2, and here is 5 is less than the value of 2. So this is false. So the one statement is correct. So the answer is true here, because only the single statement, if it is true, then the answer will be true here. So the next one is NOT operator. So the NOT operator is used as, suppose I am taking the value that is 5 and the variable name is x. After that I will print the value. First of all I will write the NOT here. In between this I will pass the two statements in AND formation. Suppose I am asking that if my x's value is greater than 15 and my x's value is less than 2. So these two statements are being done here as the 5 is greater than 15 and the second one is 5 is less than 2. So this statement is false and this is also false. So the answer will be true. Suppose I have taken here 150 and here is this. So both the statements are true, then the answer will be here, that is false. Because it states that the both statement, if both are true, then the answer is false. If both are false, then the answer is true. So in this way, we can use the 3 logical operators in the Python programming language.
So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is logical operators. So first of all, we'll discuss the AND operator. And the syntax for that is, first of all, we'll take a value of x, that is 3, and after that we'll take the x's value and we'll put the operator that is greater than. If x is greater than 3 and the x is greater than or less than the number that is 2, then print the value that is 20, then print the value that is, the answer is true, because both of the statements in AND operator should be same. So first statement is same and the second is also the true statement. So the answer is true. According to this equation, the answer is true. So the next one is OR operator. As the x's value is 5 and in the next line we will print the OR operator, that is OR logical operator, will print the value that is, if our x's value is greater than the digit that is 3 and we will write here OR because we are using OR operator, and the next statement is our x's value less than the number that is 2, then print that is true. In OR, one of the statement must be true. As we can see here, there are true statements. 5 is greater than 3 is true, but x's is greater than 2 is false. So the answer is true according to this statement, that is x is greater than 3, that is 5 is greater than 3. So the next one is NOT operator, not logical operator. So the first is we have taken x and the value of x. After that we'll use a print statement, and after that we'll use NOT and we'll take here the variables and the values. Suppose our x's value is greater than the value that is 10, and if our x's value is less than the number that is 2, then print. So we will see the answer, that is so the answer is true, as both of the statements are here, that is 5 is greater than 10 and both the statements are false, then the answer is true in the NOT statement. So this is the AND operator, AND logical operator, and this one is OR logical operator, and the last one is NOT logical operator.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.